Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Anisa, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, ring the bell. Everything I have linked to be linked to down in the description, and let's get right into the video. So I've already removed her previous set. It was just some gel polish, and I removed some of the acrylic just to get it a little bit thinner. And now all I'm doing is removing the shine from her natural nail. Then I will go in and continue with her fill. After I went ahead and got everything dusted off, I went ahead and went in with some dehydrator and primer. They are both from Mia Secret. I could not find my Net Like Lucy primer for the life of me, so we went ahead and used the Mia Secret primer. But all I'm doing is using a small bead of clear and filling in that little gap and then bringing some more down. This finger is in real time, but a couple of them will be in 2 times the speed, and then the thumb will be in real time, so you can see how I pick up my bead. But it is very little acrylic needed. You do not want these nails too thick because there will be a lot of layers going on. So in my removal process, I could have taken off even more layers if I really wanted to, and the nail would have still been structurally sound. But after this, I will go ahead and start filing. These are her birthday nails, so don't forget to tell her happy birthday down below in the comments. Left me shaping her pinky in real time because all I'm primarily trying to do is remove any acrylic that could have gotten on her skin, so her nails do not lift and so the drill bit does not skip. This is a Pana 5-in-1 drill bit, and all I'm doing is making sure that there is no acrylic on her skin and that the nail is the proper thickness, and make sure that I seal the cuticle. I do go in with a buffer just to make sure there is no deep scratches for when I do her design. Because it was just a fill, I am going in for her nude with gel polish. Of course, if you wanted to take it down a little bit more, you could do a nude acrylic, but it's kind of pointless because I have a ton of nude gel polishes. So it will give me the exact same effect that a nude acrylic would. It's just gel form. So that is pretty much all this design is going to be, is gel polish and glitter. So I'm doing one coat of this one, and this is from Beetles, and I will leave the link to it down below in the description. It's one of my favorite nudes that I discovered because it is a very nice tan nude color that it's very good on its own because it's that thin type of nude. It's not very opaque. And then I do go in with a pink. It's from Gayoy, and I love it. I have not used it in so long, but it got us to the color that she was looking for, a very light pink color. And you can go in with this color on its own if you don't want to mix and match. You can also create a custom nude shade by mixing any colors together. But before you go in with the base coat to let your glitter adhere, you can also do a top coat or anything like that. You can also stamp the glitter onto a French tip shape after you've cured the base coat so it can stick to it. But I like to dump it. It's just a little bit easier. But before you go in with the base coat French tip drawing or glitter, you must wipe the nail off. I went ahead and used LGN Cleanse and a lint-free nail wipe, because if not, wherever you do not wipe, and you will see that in some areas I did miss it, so the glitter will naturally stick to it no matter how thin the tacky layer is, it will stick to it. And I will show you how to fix that later on, but all I'm doing is going in with the French, and then I do clean it up with the little nail art brush. And this is a nail art brush from Get Nailed 32. I will have a link to all of these products down below in the description. Before you cure the nails with the raw glitter on it, and this is reflective glitter, by the way, you want to tap the excess glitter off, because all it does is it makes it hard for the light to penetrate the full nail. Like the clear underneath, it makes it really difficult for it. It's already having to do a tough job, and you're just going to make it even harder by leaving a ton of glitter on there to get up any excess. This was cured for a full 60 seconds. You could cure it for less if you wanted to help this part go a little bit easier, but all I'm doing is fixing the smile line and removing any excess glitter and any parts that I do not like it in, just because sometimes, because it is clear, you cannot see until it's already cured, because you can't wipe it off before it's cured or you're gonna smudge the glitter. So it's kind of one of those wait until you see things. So just go ahead and scrape it off with a cuticle pusher, and it is completely fine. And I will be top coating this reflective glitter. Typically, you do not want to do that because, as you can see, it is a much lighter color now, and the reflection just looks 10 times better when it's raw. But she hated the texture of the raw glitter, so I went ahead and top coated it for her. And I do 2 layers of top coat, one right now. Then I go ahead and do some more nail art because she wanted the underneath to be a little bit more clean, and she wanted some white incorporated. So this is where the creation white comes in. And then after I'm done, I go ahead and do another layer of top coat after I put on her little piece of bling. You do want to make sure you fully cure each layer, including the white. Now I went ahead and used the Macart Rhinestone Glue Gel, and I'm using a clear piece of bling, and this size is from Nailed to the Hustle. I don't believe she sells this anymore, but it's just a clear rhinestone. I didn't want to go in with AB because I feel like it would clash a little bit too much, but you can do a wet method where you go ahead and apply the gel glue, then the top coat on top of it by floating, and then stick the stone in, which is what I should have done, but it's okay because you can just trace around it. This is the final layer of top coat, so you want to make sure you have everything fully encapsulated in the top coat and cure it for a full 120 seconds, just to make sure everything is fully cured. And then the gel polish just lasts the top coat lasts so much better when you cure for a full 120. Now I'm going in and using some cuticle oil. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, ring the bell. Everything I've linked to down below in the description, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.